Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact project that contains the watermark. This ensures you edit the correct file. Next, go directly to the Layers panel and locate the watermark layer. This might be a text object, imported image, or default brand layer. Once found, position the timeline playhead where the watermark is clearly visible so you can judge positioning. Make sure to lock unrelated layers to avoid accidental movement. This saves time and prevents hidden changes while you move the watermark. With the watermark layer selected, open the transform controls to access position, scale, and rotation. These are the tools you will use to move it. Change the anchor point if you need the watermark to rotate or expand from a specific corner. This gives cleaner, predictable movement. Then adjust X and Y coordinates numerically or drag the layer while toggling grid or snapping so you get consistent alignment. Once done, you can scale down slightly to keep it unobtrusive while still visible. Finish by scrubbing the whole timeline and previewing playback so you confirm the watermark stays where you placed it for the entire clip. If you see unexpected movement, check for existing keyframes on position or transform. Remove or modify those keyframes to lock placement. Make sure opacity or blending mode is correct so it's visible but not distracting. Finally, export a short test clip to verify in an external player. This catches any export-specific shifts before you render the full video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.